Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a reliable VPN. Speed matters here. You want minimal lag on Ome Tv. Once chosen, install the app and enable the kill switch so your IP never leaks. Make sure you sign into Ome Tv and clear the app cache. This prevents old location data from interfering. Test the VPN briefly by checking your apparent country and running a quick speed check. If it's below about 20 Mbps, switch servers before moving on. Once done, connect to a VPN server located in a country that allows Ome Tv traffic. Choose the fastest nearby server or a WireGuard option to reduce latency and keep video smooth. Make sure the VPN's DNS and leak protection are active so Ome Tv sees only the VPN address. After the connection establishes, force close and reopen Ome Tv. Then verify the app reflects the new location or your IP has changed. If performance drops, try a different nearby server. You finish by testing a full Ome Tv session. Confirm camera, mic, and chat all work and that the connection stays stable. If Ome Tv still blocks you, switch to another server in the same country, change protocol from TCP to UDP or WireGuard, and then clear app data before relaunching. Make sure your VPN app is updated and consider a paid plan for reliable speeds and fewer server blocks. One troubleshooting tip: if sessions drop, enable the kill switch and reconnect immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.